day everyone. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use Blackboard Learn as an educational tool in schools. Blackboard Learn is an online learning management system or LMS. It is used by teachers and students for online classes, assignments, quizzes, announcements, and communication. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to navigate and use the important features of Blackboard Learn effectively. The first step we are going to do is to open your web browser, which is the Google Chrome. Next, type Blackboard Learn in your website provided by your school. So once the login page appears, enter your username and password given by your school administrator or teachers. So after entering your account details, click the sign in button. So after logging in, you will see the Blackboard Learn dashboard or homepage. This serves as the main interface where students and teachers can access their courses and activities. So on the dashboard, you can find the list of courses or subjects, activities stream for updates, calendar for deadlines and schedules, announcements from teachers and school administrators. So these sections help users stay organized and updated with their academic tasks. To access a subject, simply click the course title. Inside the course, you will see the course menu, which may contain learning objectives, learning modules, assignments, discussions, quizzes, grades, course materials. So the teachers upload lessons here and activities, so enable for the students to access anytime. So to view the learning materials, click the upload files or learning modules provided by the teachers. So Blackboard Learn supports different educational resources such as PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, videos, documents, links to educational websites. So students can view lessons anytime, which supports flexible and independent learning. One important features in Blackboard Learn is assignment submissions. So to submit an assignment, so open the assignment activity, read the instructions carefully, click Browse Local Files or Upload, select your file, and then click the Submit button. So after submission, Blackboard usually shows a confirmation message to ensure that your work successfully submitted. Blackboard Learn also allows teachers to conduct quizzes and online examinations. So to take a quiz, you should open the test or quiz link. So read the instruction carefully, answer each questions, review your answers, and then click the submit button once you finish. So some quizzes provide automatic scores and feedback immediately after submissions. So if you want to check your grades, so students can monitor their academic performance through the grades sections. So in here, students can view their quizzes scores, assignments grades, teachers' feedbacks, and overall performance. So these features helps learners track their progress and identify areas that need improvement. Blackboard Learn also promotes communications and collaboration so that the students and the teacher, they can interact with each other. So users can interact through announcements, discussion boards, messages, virtual classroom tools. So these features allow students and teachers to communicate effectively even during online learning. Blackboard Learn provides many educational benefits such as easy access to learning materials, flexible online learning, organized course management, faster communications, convenient assignment submission, and digital assessment tools. Because of these features, Blackboard Learn supports both face-to-face and online education. So in conclusion, Blackboard Learn is an effective educational tool that helps improve teaching and learning through technology. It also allows teachers to manage their classes efficiently while helping students access lessons, submit activities, and communicate online. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use Blackboard Learn step by step. Thank you so much for watching.